Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Our today's topic is to draw a graph for variation of potential V with distance R for a point charge, as well as not only for potential and graph for E versus R. Okay. So this is the graph. Okay, don't see it. First of all, understand it. Then only you can understand. You should see it. See here. We know that V equals to KQ by R. So for a given charge capital Q, it is constant. K is constant. So V is proportional to 1 upon R. Similarly, E is proportional to 1 upon R square. Okay. Now, this is not required to write in exams, okay? But to draw a graph with proper concepts, we will assume some values, okay? Here, we have taken a scale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Here we will show E or V, here we will show R, okay? Now, let us assume that at R equals to 1, E and V both have equal value, that is 1. Moreover, see here, if I divide this by R both the side, here it will be KQ by R square, here it will be V by R. But KQ by R square is E, so we can write E equals to V by R or say V equals to ER. Taking E equals to V equals to 1 at R equals to 1, in that case, if I take here 1, 1, KQ will be 1. Okay, so we will have a table of values, R in meter, V and E. Okay. Take it from here. If I take R equals to 0.5, okay, if I put here 0.5, 1 upon 0.5, because KQ is 1, that will be 2. And further dividing 2 by 0.5, because E equals to V by R, it will be 4. So these values are, okay. Then at 1, both are 1, 1. If I take 2 here, 1 by 2, that is 0.5. Then I have to divide 0.5 by 2 to get E, okay, because E equals to V by R, that will be 0.25. Similarly, if I take 3 here, it is 1 by 3, that is 0.33. To obtain E, we have to further divide V by R, that is 0.33 upon 3, that is 0.111. If I take here R equals to 4, V will be equal to 1 by 4, that is 0.25. Further dividing 0.25 by 4 to obtain E equals to V by R, it will be, E will be equal to 0.0625. Finally, if I take here 5, 1 by 5, V will be equal to 0.2. And further again dividing by 0.2 by 5 to obtain E, V by R, that will be 0.04. This is our table. Now putting the values. Okay. So see, first of all, let us draw graph for V. At 0.5, its value is 2. Okay. At 1, it is 1. At 2, its value is 0.5. See, this is 1, so half of it. At 3, its value is 1 by 3, okay? At 3, 1 by 3, that is 0.333. At 4, its value is 0.25, that is 1 by 4, okay? At 4, V is 1 by 4, 1 by 4, okay? And finally, it is 0.5, that is 0.2, that is 1 by 5. At 5, it is 1 by 5, fifth part of 1. So this is the graph, this dotted line is the graph for V. Okay? Now, let us prepare graph for E. At 0.5 it is 4, okay? At 0.5 it is 4, E is 4, okay? This is the graph, this dark line is the graph for E. At 1 it is 1, okay? At 2 it is 0.25, at 2 it is 0.28, fourth part of E, 1, okay? At 3 it is 0.1, so 10th part of 1. And both other values are very small, so you just draw graph like this, okay? So this is the graph of E and V, okay? Now let us discuss difference between potential, electric potential and electric potential energy. Electric potential and electric potential energy. Electric potential energy. Okay. According to definition, this is V, this is U. We know. according to definition, first difference is that here we need a unit positive charge. Here we need any charge. Okay. The definition was for electric potential, the work required to bring unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in the electric field against electric field such that its speed is constant. That work is called electrostatic potential or say electric potential at that point. But in case of electrostatic potential energy or say electric potential energy, we can bring any charge actually. Okay. So both are different quantities. Second is the unit. Okay, for this it will be joule per coulomb or volt. For this it is joule. Then dimensional formula. We know that for electric potential it is M1L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. For energy it is M1L2 T minus 2. Okay, and the fourth, I can write here. Okay. The fourth difference I can write here, okay, is that according to definition, any potential at any point A equals to work required to bring from infinity to a unit charge, that is 1 coulomb. And U will be equal to Q0 into V, okay. In case of U, it is not needed to bring unit positive charge, okay. So there is basic difference is that for electrostatic potential we have to bring unit positive charge from infinity, and for electric energy we can bring any charge. Okay, prepare well. Bye.